Today I'm going to show you how to cook bacon in the oven. It's really easy to do this. And so what you do is you're going to line out your bacon on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat. At least put them a little bit apart. If I was going to do more, I would just put these closer to the edge, and you can do several strips on there. And then we're going to put them in the oven and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. It's as easy as that. And you're going to first check them at 15 minutes. Now, to boost up the flavor a little bit, what you can do is you can take some brown sugar. I love doing this. It's a really neat little trick to make this bacon taste that much better. And so I'll just line the top of it here with a little bit of brown sugar. And when the bacon comes out of the oven, it'll look something like this. And then what I will do is just take the bacon off of here and put it on kitchen paper or paper towel and ready to go. The oven baked bacon is done and turned out fantastic. Nice and evenly cooked, looks amazing, smells amazing. And I'm telling you, if you haven't tried it with a little bit of brown sugar sprinkled on top, give it a try. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try one of these with some brown sugar on it. Oh yeah, look at that.